In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create event tickets in Microsoft Word. Designing your own tickets can be a cost-effective and creative way to manage entry for parties, fundraisers, shows, or any special event. Microsoft Word offers templates and formatting tools that make it simple to produce professional-looking tickets without needing advanced design software. To begin, open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document. Once the document is open, go to the File tab and select New. In the search bar, type Tickets or Event Tickets to browse Word's collection of pre-designed ticket templates. These templates are ready to use and can save you time by providing a layout with placeholders for event details, logos, and decorative elements. Once you find a template you like, click on it and select Create. Word will open a new document based on the chosen template. You'll see areas marked for text such as event name, date, time, location, and ticket number. Click on each placeholder and replace the sample text with your own event details. You can also adjust the font, color, and size to match your event's style or theme. Once your ticket design is complete, you can duplicate it for multiple copies. Select the entire ticket area, copy it, and paste it repeatedly on the page. This way, you can print several tickets per sheet, saving paper and creating uniform tickets for your event. Finally, review your tickets to make sure all information is accurate, check the alignment and spacing, and then print them on cardstock or your preferred paper type. You now have custom event tickets ready to distribute to your attendees. And that's how you can create event tickets in Microsoft Word, combining templates, text, and images to make professional-looking designs for any occasion. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.